Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh, no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck.
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie? Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
I'm Fitzgibbon, bitch!
This kind of math sucks. What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit! We should help them, right?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Leave me alone! Get away! No! Let's go hang out after school.
Heat it up.
I fucked up my math test! I need help!
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
You're getting a C-. Let's go!
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Stay back! Get off! Ah!
Whoa! That was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, this is... Whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Well...
Help!
It's not my day.
You're late, Juliet.
Wow!
Where's my ammo?
Oh, great. Those jerks trapped us in here.
How late. Alright! Woo! Totally awesome! Thanks a lot.
To the chair!
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair.
Dying hurts so bad. No!
Silent signals weak.
Oh man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
How was that fun?
Oh my god!
What the heck is this? Ah!
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school.
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus. Jump!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube. Stop!
That's the dude who stranded us. Now he's getting what he deserves. I am impressed.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or we could.
Juliet, I'm so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick. Ready?
You're already dead.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Wasegoi, watashi mo nigo o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay. There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam. What? The game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up? It seems like a one-sided game.
This is my special.
What do we have here this time? Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
3 points.
Time to get to work.
3 points. 3 points. Fantastic.
Ready?
Nice shot. Fantastic. 3 points. 3 points. Fantastic.
Ready? Go!
Fantastic. Fantastic. Nice shot. Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
Mommy!
out of here!
Rock and roll!
Loving it! Kill him before he blows up! Awesome!
Your goal.
Yeah, I had my...
Good.
Oh, man!
Pop it.
Biology in here, I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frogs. Gross.
That's gross.
So delicious.
Oh, man, don't these dudes ever stop coming? Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Body, legs, no more.
Ah!
It's dangerous to run the dangerous pussy power.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up. You more than Carrot Top. The best calories. Ready? Go! Okay! Taste my cheese.
How you doing? Did you finish your homework?
Oh my god, that rocks! Fuck yes! Fuck you and fuck yes!
Impressive! Quit opening and closing the door, dude!
I found a new virus.
Again and again with the door. It's irritating! Done and done.
Wash your hands!
Killing zombies gives me total wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Hey, Rasai! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world. And the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and a rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's...
Yes!
Party time, motherfuckers!
Awesome! You killed it! Oh, that was a crap party.
Dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't play with fire. Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. Ready? Go! You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday. Happy birthday!
Oh man, this Major League sucks. This Major League sucks. Get through the door quickly! Now!
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy. He went to school with us.
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh, man. There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Lingori, Yellum, Tobal, Ellie, Mora, Forum, Tokum, Cab, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
No!
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
I think you're dating this kid. I'm a fucking head case.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
That slow. This one's a zombie hunter.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.
This